Mm. Mm.
Does it taste? Oops. It's okay. You dropped some? Oh, you know what? I think it just dropped right here. It's okay. I got it. Got it. What do you say when you like it? Do you say yum? Yum.
Yum. Yum.
Yum.
Haha.
How's the pasta? Yum. That's good. Happy you like it. It's very good pasta. Who made you a pasta? Who made that for you? Did Daddy make that for you? Dad.
Yeah. It's a little piece of chicken, buddy.
Want a different spoon? You have 2 spoons? That's cool. It's a spoon. 2 spoons. One. 1, 2 spoons? That's very good. Good counting. What comes after 2? 1, 2. That's right. 3. That's right.
Mm. 3. 2. And?
You don't want that. Okay. Are you all done? All done? You want me to take it? What do you say? All done. You want me to feed you?
Mm.
Is it hard to eat with that spoon? I'm going to switch spoons. That's probably easier. We don't want to give you too big of a bite. There you go. Wow. What do you, is that good? You're like a little dinosaur. Mm. Do you like pasta? Yeah, you want more of that. Right? I understand. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go, go on an adventure.
Mm.
Yes. Dora the Explorer. Dora. Boots? Dora. Dora and her monkey. Dora, monkey and Dora. Go on an adventure. Do you want an adventure every day? Yes. Can you say, hello, Mama? Hello, Mommy?
Oh my God. British.
You know, he sounds so British.
Governor.
Hello, Mommy. It's a big bite. Do you handle it? Yeah, of course you can. Hello, Matthew. Hello, Matthew. Hi, Matthew. What about hi, Maddie Cakes? Hi, big hug. Hi, Mama.
Hi, Mom.
Okay, you're all done. You ate everything. Now what? You want dessert? You want more? You're all done? The end. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Can you blow the camera a kiss? All done.